The key is that the foundation recognized that the learning techniques for students today are changing. And we had to get involved in that, in teaching upcoming architects and engineers in a more hands-on type of environment. And so we've developed these studios. We want them across the country so we get a spread throughout the architectural and engineering community of teaching the future architects and engineers what concrete, and particularly precast, pre-stressed concrete, can do.
PCI is on the leading edge of how education is changing for architects. Architecture is so complex. There's so many different components that an architect has to understand. There's no way that he or she can really wrap her arms around that without the help of industry. And so we're getting in at the ground floor and making all of these students who are going to be some of the leading architects of the country in just a few years, advocates for using our product.
One of the beautiful aspects of this design studio is that it's giving an opportunity for the students to really get in touch with consultants and be involved in designing real-world structures and designing complex problems and find solutions for it, and interacting with actual designers who are doing that in the field and learning more and more about this. So instead of just getting the theory from a professor on some applications, they're really getting the real design and real experience from experts that have been working in the field for 20 and 30 years.
The students are more interested in how things are done rather than just the book learning of it. They're interested in the things that can be done. They're interested in coming into our plants and seeing how we produce the concrete. What is the processes that we use? What are the processes that work? What are the processes that don't work?
We were so fortunate to have this kind of collaboration with an industrial partner, Gate Concrete, and we wanted to have that for years, and finally our dream came true when Gate Concrete gave us the opportunity so that we can start this design studio that's building an intellectual connection between the industry and the academia.
I would love to see a studio at every architecture school in the country. It would give us the credibility that we need to really advance our products, make architects more interested in the product, and create these champions outside of our industry, these advocates for precast. And we can dot the nation with different advocates, really coming up with new ideas, new ways of using precast, and people who really understand the product as well. I think that's a great future for us.